Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet hair clip and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Let's start. I will use Elise BBC cream yarn with 3 color, beige and yellow and brown, and hook number 3 mm, and I will use a metal hair clip as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown, then make 10 chains and close them with a slip stitch to make a ring. Then I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains, then make 23 double crochet stitches into the ring, then close with a slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that ring, then close with a slip stitch as shown now, and I will cut the yarn and fasten off. Then I will use the yellow color yarn and make 10 chains again, then grab them through the middle of the first ring as shown now, then close with slip stitch. Then I will make 3 chains and make 23 double crochet stitches into the ring, then close with slip stitch and cut our yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will repeat with the same sequence for another ring with the brown color as shown now, with the same sequences. Now I finish it. Then I will start round 3. I will join the yellow yarn as shown now with the first and the second rings with the yellow color yarn and make a chain, then make single crochet into same stitch as shown now. Then I will make single crochet stitches into next 2 stitches as shown now, into the middle ring only, into the second ring only, I mean the yellow ring as shown now. Then I will join the second ring and the third ring together with single crochet stitches as shown now. Then I will make single crochet stitches into next 12 stitches as shown now, into the beige ring, into the third ring only as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will join the third and the second rings together with single crochet stitches as shown now, single crochet stitch, sorry, as shown now. Then I will make single crochet into next 2 stitches into the middle ring only, into the second ring, I mean the yellow ring as shown now. Then I will join the second ring and the third rings together with single crochet stitch as shown now. Now I will count 12 stitches from the end as shown now, and join the second and the third rings together with single crochet stitches as shown now. Then I will make single crochet stitches into next 12 stitches as shown now, into the third ring only, I mean into the brown ring as shown now. Then I will close with a slip stitch and cut our yarn and fasten off. Now I finished with the shape. Then I will join the cover cloth with the crochet unit and the metal hair clip with the glue as shown now. I will join them together with the glue. Now I finished this crochet hair clip with the shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.